How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to long press on Instagram. Tap on I icon. Now tap on storage uses and now tap clear cache. Come back. Tap force stop and tap force stop to force stop your application. Next step, tap on Play Store and search Instagram application. If there is updates, update it to the latest version. Outdated version of Instagram app will create different kinds of glitches occurring Instagram notes music not showing. After that, restart your device, hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart, and once you have done that you need to check Instagram by opening. Now simply tap messenger icon at top left and you'll see your note at top left, and here you can see that we have successfully got music icon on your notes. Now you can add any music of your choice. That's it. Thank you for watching.